Arayo sawani ya rei Lolo tupruch. Abuangu notora gwela nara korotin. Luelu kunitose sokoni lo Apollo no ibuga Soroti. Agwela na riboro lue gela. Kwa penata kiringi nyamat. Akokoro ikai cheda. Kanua ito diara nyunyura kech. Kotupite tebe. Ni chebo kinitora Akim na kipye. Ka kipya lemana rosokoni.
Mami kosi leader setia mutosa ilaki so bere trade ko da nesna so be tupakini woter keraki imame sakipi imama Akim ngesa to ndine
so mai sabosti ani da igasiki lobi ko ni na akipi da ni ngara ito sisa kala de mamete Akim anu ngara ite so customer say tebe nyo bi gwela na so imama Akim ebo una parasi arogwetari tejo lobi yani disconnecting Akim general imame bo Akim Aidiya nene jamunari lakile mse preserving di ofri
tungale gola na rata kinga lo serota konye tumamune gola na kinga je una tukuru kitone ware isale nyanye bosi nini pak konye baka ikingane e jaru kali tender na itos nenda edu munandar pasi kapun
wapi tungalo textile aja sikuju isirigelo ina ita isata chi poa depart konye otacheti sokoni niche ilukumine taunaka dai na isaka nyaudi aluni. Oh my God, I wish Museveni, our president, could come and help us.
Abuna akija ikatupito na rasisi kide na ibuga Soroti. Edrin Benesa, akero na itame temokina mumu na itunga. Luda eke itosa papula inueli mitos. Atio kiso keche kere.
We are handling power today. And no one is going to hold the government at ransom. You don't have that authority. You cannot close a public facility like this one. Whoever closes it will face the law. I want to be very categorical. You have no more authority or locus or whatsoever to close a facility of government like a central market. And I'm told it is the butcher section that has done all this. Remember, is coming to put back power. But we shall deal with those who occasion this.
Iswa masingunu kanin kodoite bobom Aidiya kalai jedonyi kedalaro na epuga ikinibon neda engare ni kinitor MP Soroti City West Jonathan Ebualu ka MP na ngoro ko ibuga Joana Choma Lobo etimungol Akurianete ngunu daebe mame limo kita itunga keda kesi engareno akironu Ibokan luebaka ya dauna ngichu na boisho achie koteso angurianete empisi ngunebe mami woro retaya jau na urianet na etemo kiterio ngetelo Ibokan ko district alo ko Soroti ko balasi ebe etemo kitai ko mami tijeni kitai.
We are not opposed to government exploring minerals here, but we are saying government must bring all our people. We need full participation of the local people. Even this one, if government is not going to come out with a clear agenda, what is going to be our stake, what is going to be our share as the people of this region, we are going to oppose. Why we suspect that there is something fishy here? They have organized this meeting without involving us, the local people. Why don't they tell us, the city members of parliament, we represent thousands of people and we're not going to allow?
We shall not allow us, the people of Teso. We are standing up to show that you will not come and intimidate us on our own land and minerals. You must come and meet the leaders. Then the leaders come down to sensitize the local person.
Abubero rauni rotini lu Apollo ko ibuga Soroti Egurokin. Aitodolo ne abela rotor bobo MPs. Abearo sokoni osawa ni wongono lu atupuruch. Ebe alosta pupo kina imonya gwela narak. Konyedo apotri polisi no duono siye kwamulo itomonya kio. Aisharara Aidiya. Konye dokoto maurianete na etemo kiterio ngetelo Ibokan. Kaduke na nuke districta. Joshua Lukae, principal geochemist. Oriongete kangol, ngesi abalebe. Ejaya pugane koto bera ishana kinitunga. Eroko kesi egeuna ipima kanuaje nuna boy city na Ibokan ko districta loko Soroti.
We are here as a ministry because government through Ministry of Energy intends to start exploration for petroleum in what we call the Choga Basin. Quite a number of districts are within the Choga Basin, and among them is Soroti district. So, and the reason as to why we are here, we intend to update the communities and the leaders to be aware of the upcoming program, and so that when the work starts, they do not misunderstand or mistake our technical teams for wrong elements. Because some of the equipment they use in this exploration look like surveying land. So chances are people can misunderstand them and take them for land grabbers. And for us to discover that oil, we need the cooperation of not only the communities and also the leaders. We need to work together and see how we can progress this to the point where oil will be discovered in Soroti.
Auria nete kangin Mike Mukula Apollo Kiniton NRM ko kidena ko Uganda ngesi abalebe mame koto engareno kai tija pol.
That if this project goes on, you will be written in the history of this country to be part of the game changers of the economy of the West region. I want therefore, in my submission to you, to say, no, let's not politicize development. Development should be good. Let's practice the politics of development now. When the elections come in, everybody will go to his house.
Kanuka TV East, Abraham Melapo, Koibuga Soroti.